Good morning, dear students. You know very well, this is English literature class and I welcome you all. Okay? Well, so let's proceed further with chapter 21 in the fragrance English reader, the missile man. Okay? You know, this is an interview taken by the publisher of this book, Cordova. And of course, our former president, our India's former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, is making us aware of lot of solution of our problem. Okay, and how he worked hard to become famous as the missile man and gave us and make India nuclear power. Now read further. So here he was asked question, what is the 5 major projects of IGMDP, okay, Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. So he names it that first of all it started, IGMDP started the concept in 1983. Okay, so first he says Prithvi, Akash, second, third Trishul, fourth Nag, and fifth Agni. And he says many of these missiles have already been deployed in the Indian Air Force, and many variants of these missiles have already come out and they are working already. Okay. Now here description is also given of all the missiles. See here, you can see description is also given here. In this page you will find here. So Prithvi, this is surface to surface missile. Its range is 150 km. Akash is medium range surface to surface air missile, and it is with range 24 km. Then it comes Trishul, which is short range quick reaction surface to surface missile. Its range is 8 to 10 km range. Okay. Then it's come Nag. This is fire and forget anti-tank missile. Okay. It can destroy any tank. Its range is 4 km. Then fifth is Agni. This is technology demonstrator of a long range strategic missile system. This is a long range, okay, strategic missile. So now, the last 25 years, our strategic missile system, 2 strategic missile systems have been fully developed. Okay. He said that time, during 25 years, 2 strategic missile systems have been developed and also been produced in quantity and deployed. Deployed means put on duty. Okay. So Akash has been ordered by the Air Force. A number of other variants of Prithvi and Agni have also been developed. Second question asked to him that how can inequality in access to education can be sorted out, and what is the role of the student here. So he says that inequality of access to education can be sorted out if we increase the number of seats in the professional courses, so that there will be no problem of lack of seats. Okay. In engineering, it has already been increased. So in other professional courses, just like medical, pharma and management, also should be followed the same trend. And there is a role of a student also here to sort out the problem, that they should go for distant education program. So there they will not have the problem of lack of seats, because they will study from their home. And of course, education institute has to be careful of their contents, that it must be of the highest quality, and these institutions must organize contact program as well. Okay, means for few days they call the students who belong to even distant education program to their institute and attend physical classes there. That is called contact program. Okay. Now the next question is asked about atom. Atom is considered just destructor, only used for destruction. But if it can be used in creation or development as well. So as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says that it can be used in power generation. Okay, is the generation of electricity. It can also be used in medical for the treatment. Okay, and also it can be used to develop quality of seeds. The seeds will be treated with nuclear energy, and then the seeds can stay safe for a long time. And of course, the seeds will stay of the highest quality as well and give very good production. The next question is asked, how is he sees India by 2020? Okay, see, of course, the interview is taken before 2015 only. So that time only what he says about future means 2020, see here. First he says that, which I visualize the following the instructive profile of India by 2020, he says. First he says, there will be very less difference between village, Indian village and city. Okay, second he says, so all the people will get equal distribution of the access to energy, means electricity, and of course drinking water. Okay, then he says in agriculture, industry sector and service sector also will work together in symphony. Symphony means harmony, means work together, means that agriculture, farming sector, then corporate sector, and also which provides services, they all work together to take India, okay, to the front of success. Now next he says that no meritorious candidate will be denied education due to lack of fund. If a student is meritorious, he or she will be provided with the highest education. Okay. Then he says India will be the best destination, best place for the most talented scholars, investors, scientists all around the world. Then he says that here the best health care will be provided to all, and the government will take action against any complaint very quickly. Government is free of any corruption, and of course it will be just like open book. Okay. Then says there will be no poverty at all. It will be completely eradicated. Eradicated means removed. poverty will be removed completely, and people will be literate, illiteracy will be removed completely, there will be no crimes against women and children, and no one in society will feel dejected to be not belonging, feeling of not belonging to the society, that is alienated, feeling of not belonging to the particular group. No person will have this kind of feeling. Then he says, nation will be prosperous, developing in all the dimension. Healthy, of course, people will be healthy, secure. There will be no terrorism. Devoid means free from. Devoid means free from. Okay. Devoid means here, see here, free from. Devoid of, that is free from. So, next he says, the country will be on the continuous growth path. Okay. And at the end he says that he sees India by 2020 to be the nation that is one of the best places to live. And people will be proud of our leadership. Okay. Well, dear student, in this way we have discussed so far of this chapter 21, the Missile Man. More we'll do in the next class. Hope you've enjoyed this session. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Ciao.